Hi everyone, welcome to James English. Today, seated English pedagogy, let us focus on principles of language teaching. This is a very important chapter because so far 27 questions are asked from this particular chapter. So let us focus on first question. Which of the following is suitable for making students responsible for their own learning? The question is very simple. Which of the following is suitable for making students responsible for their own learning? Options are using technology to chart and network, encouraging students to ask more and more questions, giving a lot of homework, project work, and assignments to improve language skills of students, discouraging students from making decisions about how they learn best. Here, the right answer is option 2, that is, encouraging students to ask more and more questions. Second question. The constructivist approach to learning process means. The constructivist approach to learning means teaching rules of grammar and consolidating through rigorous practice, helping learners acquire a new vocabulary by studying literature intensively, teaching new words and structures using a variety of audio-visual aids followed by practice through drill. Fourth option, involving the students in a variety of activities to encourage them to learn new words and structures by accommodating them with those that they have already learned through a process of discovery. Here, the right option is option 4, that is, involving the students in a variety of activities to encourage them to learn new words and structures by accommodating them with those that they have already learned through a process of discovery. This is known as the constructivist approach to learning. Next question. When learners are engaged in a pair activity, taking on roles of a doctor and a patient, the activity is called declamation, simulation, exchanging notes, real activity. The right answer is option 4, that is a real activity. Here, the students are taking a pair activity, taking the roles of doctor and patient. We often observe the children at home taking or role play. Some of them act as doctors and patients, and some children are interested in performing the roles of teacher and student, and some children also act as a thief and a police, and such roles performed by students are known as a real activity. Next question. Gender stereotypes and bias among learners can be discouraged by. How do you discourage gender stereotypes and gender bias among the student community? Options. Using textbooks which do not perpetuate such beliefs, creating an open and encouraging atmosphere in a fixed class, pressuring girls to learn cooking, enabling all learners to cook and sew irrespective of gender. Here, the right option is option 2, that is creating an open and encouraging atmosphere in a mixed class. It is only by giving equal opportunity we can remove gender bias from the students' fraternity. Next question. A child-centered classroom is characterized by, very important question, A child-centered classroom is characterized by very passive teachers and active learners, a variety of learning activities for the learners, children sitting in the center of the class, children teaching other children under the supervision of the teacher. Here, the right answer is option 2, that is, a variety of learning activities for the learners is known as a student-centered classroom or a child-centered classroom. Next question. When a teacher uses lessons in science and social science to teach language, such an approach can be termed as, when a teacher is trying to use lessons from science and social science to teach a language, such method, such approach is known as language across the curriculum, objective language teaching, pluralistic language teaching, discipline-wise language teaching. Here the right answer is language across the curriculum. Language across the curriculum. Next question. After reading a story on fish, if a teacher asks children to answer, imagine you are a fish in a pond. What do you see around you? This is an example of, imagine if you are a fish in a pond, what do you see around you? And this is an example of multiple choice question, comprehensive question, closed type question, open-ended question. Here the right answer is only option 4, that is open-ended question, and the rest of the options are absolutely wrong. Next question. Constructivist approach to language teaching expects the teacher to help construct knowledge using their experiences, give pre-constructed knowledge learners, construct his own curriculum, make learners prepare their own textbooks. Here the right answer is option 1, that is help construct knowledge using their own experiences. Next question. You ask, what has my government done for you? I can answer in 2 words, all of, a lot. The question put here is rhetorical, stylized, a prompt, explanatory. You ask, what has my government done for you? I can answer in 2 words, a lot. And such question is known as, or here the question is put here is known as, it is absolutely a prompt. This is a prompt. Next question. Gender sensitization in the school curriculum implies, this question was asked in the year 2013 CTET. Gender sensitization in the school curriculum implies, indicates children should be differentiated as boys and girls, sex education from primary school onwards, respectable approach towards defining gender roles, promote co-education in high school. Here, respectable approach towards defining gender roles is the right answer. Gender sensitization implies respectable approach towards defining gender roles. So far we have learned or we have analyzed just 10 questions. But in this chapter, we have altogether 27 questions which were asked in the previous examinations. In the next video, let us continue to learn the rest of the questions. So we have already completed chapter 1, that is learning and acquisition. In the first chapter, we have discussed 22 questions. So I request everyone to go through because it gives you a clarity, a complete picture over learning and acquisition. So go through the questions one by one, and definitely this session will help you. I wish you